What if the secret to radiant skin, healthy hair, and a robust immune system has been hiding in your kitchen cabinet all along? Today, we lift the veil off one of nature's most intriguing, yet often overlooked treasures, castor oil. This humble oil, extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, carries a rich tapestry of tales dating back to the times of ancient Egyptians, who highly prized it for its healing properties. A journey around the world would reveal castor oil's diverse uses. From India to Rome, it has been revered as a potent remedy for various ailments. The Greeks, for instance, were known to have used it as a powerful laxative. Meanwhile, in Jamaica, it's a cherished secret for luscious hair and vibrant skin. As we venture into the fascinating world of castor oil, prepare to be amazed by its versatile uses and benefits. Uncover the secrets of this versatile oil as we delve into the world of castor oil. But what makes this humble oil so potent, you may ask? Well, allow me to peel back the layers and reveal the magic within. Castor oil, a golden elixir, is a treasure trove of components that work in harmony to create a symphony of health benefits. Its secret weapon, a high concentration of ricinoleic acid. This unsaturated fatty acid is the star of the show, boasting potent anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe and heal. Whether it's an irksome skin rash or a nagging joint pain, ricinoleic acid is like a trusty old friend, always ready to lend a helping hand. But the magic doesn't stop there. Castor oil is also a powerhouse of antioxidants. These microscopic heroes wage a daily war against harmful free radicals, the notorious villains that accelerate aging and disease. By boosting your body's antioxidant arsenal, castor oil helps keep your health in check, turning the tide in the never-ending battle for well-being. And let's not forget about the aesthetic benefits. Castor oil is a wonderful gift for your skin and hair. Its hydrating properties can breathe new life into dry, brittle locks, turning them into a waterfall of glossy strands. And for your skin, it works like a charm, providing deep nourishment and leaving it glowing with a radiant, youthful shine. The overall health benefits of castor oil are indeed remarkable. From improving digestion to boosting immunity, this seemingly modest oil is an unsung hero in the realm of natural remedies. It's like a multi-talented artist, capable of playing different roles with equal finesse. So before we move on, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button and join our journey of discovery? And while you're at it, why not share where you're tuning in from? We'd love to know. And that, my friends, is the power within a single drop of castor oil. It's not just about what it does, but how it does it. A silent guardian, a watchful protector, always working behind the scenes to keep you at your best. And that's the beauty of nature's gifts. Often simple, always profound. How might one harness this power, you ask? Well, let's delve into the magic that is castor oil. First of all, let's talk hair growth. The secret here is consistency. You can massage a few drops of castor oil into your scalp every night before bed. The oil helps to stimulate blood circulation, promoting hair growth. But remember, consistency is key. Onto skincare, castor oil has been lauded for its hydrating and anti-inflammatory properties. Try mixing a couple of drops into your daily moisturizer or apply it directly to your skin. It's particularly effective for those dry patches we all dread during the colder months. Boosting your immunity is another fantastic use for this magical oil. By simply massaging it into your abdomen, you can help stimulate your lymphatic system, which plays a vital role in your body's defense mechanism. A weekly routine of this can work wonders for your overall well-being. But as with all things, moderation is important. Castor oil is potent, and while it has its benefits, it can also have side effects if used excessively. Some people may experience skin irritation or an allergic reaction. This is why it's crucial to do a patch test before you start using it regularly. Simply apply a small amount to your inner forearm and wait for 24 hours to see if any reaction occurs. Also, it's worth noting that castor oil is not recommended for pregnant women, as it can induce labor. Always consult your doctor or a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your routine, especially if you're pregnant or have any underlying health conditions. And before we move on, let's take a moment to remind you to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more magical remedies and natural solutions coming your way. And do let us know in the comments where you're tuning in from. We love hearing from our community. So there you have it, the magic of castor oil unveiled. It's a powerful natural remedy that's been used for centuries, and now it's time for you to harness its power. Remember, a little goes a long way when it comes to using castor oil. Before we say goodbye, let's revisit the wonders of castor oil. This humble oil, with its roots steeped in ancient times, is more than just a substance. It's a testament to the power of nature and our enduring search for wellness. We've journeyed through the origin and history of castor oil, delving into the annals of time to understand its significance. We've also explored its components, each one a marvel of nature's design, working in harmony to provide a myriad of benefits. From promoting hair growth to boosting the immune system, castor oil truly is a magic potion in a bottle. And of course, we've discussed how to use it effectively. Remember, it's not just about having it, but using it wisely. The power of castor oil is in your hands. The next time you reach for that bottle of castor oil, remember the power it holds. Until next time, stay curious and healthy.